you have technical groups. We could become part of a like-minded person to talk security, because I'm looking for more people to discuss security topics. Yeah, actually, I'm thinking about starting up a group of some type. I'm really good at doing groups. I had a group that I built it out to like 30,000 people, and it's still going like without me. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing like a group where we talk about cybersecurity and security compliance in particular, because nobody really talks about it. And that's why my sites and stuff, my courses get so much traction. Nobody's really talking about this. So I'm thinking about starting one up where we just have open topics, and then that way it would give me more insight into what people want. Also allow me to do one-on-ones with people. Of course, I'd have to charge for that, but it would give me more insight into what people are after, what people want, more content, right? And I can collaborate with people more often, and it would be a great way to like do a mastermind and learn from each other. Yeah, it's something I'm thinking about doing. One of these days you're gonna log on here and I'll be talking about it. It'll already be there. In the meantime, you can go to ConvoCourses and sign up. I got like, I don't know, 4,000 people who signed up for that. That's gonna be a lot more interactive going forward. That's right there is gonna grow, keep growing. In the meantime, sign up for ConvoCourses.com. I'll keep you posted on what I'm doing, and that's probably where the first place I'm gonna announce that group once I do start it. What's happening is that there's nowhere to talk about this stuff. There's plenty of talking heads out there telling you how to set up a web server, or there's a bunch of people who tell you software engineering, right, or pen testing or hacking or something glamorous like that, right? Nobody wants to talk, like nobody wants to go back and forth with security compliance, even though security compliance is like the glue holding all this stuff together, right? If you go to the bank, guess what? You're participating in security compliance. Somebody has protected the system with security compliance. If you go to the store, whenever you run your credit card, that credit card system has to go through some sort of PCI compliance, which is security compliance. Every aspect of our lives is touched by security compliance, yet nobody talks about that. And that's why I get so many people jumping on these lives. That's why I get so many people buying my course. That's why there's so much interest, because it's really important. Nobody wants to talk about it. Nobody wants to have a conversation about it. It's pretty important.